Yo guys, what is up? It's Chill Game Insurance coming at the beginning of the video, and I'm gonna show you guys how to save a ton of money on the PlayStation Store, guys. So you can see I'm here in the PlayStation Store. Every few weeks they have a sale. Okay, like you just gotta be patient with the sales, dude. Like I've been patient. Okay guys, look at this. It's January 25th, but as of today, they're recording this video, and look at this. They got a sale, PlayStation Essentials sale. And this is one of the best. This is like the best sale for the PSN store, like right next to the Christmas sale for me, guys, because they put sales on all the popular games. Like really good. This Destiny Battlefront 2. Look at Destiny, bro. That's a big discount. From $99 to $70 if you have PS Plus, and Battlefront 2. Look at that. From $80 to $47. Look, COD. From $60 to $45, and this is why I also like about this sale, guys, because this sale, what makes this sale different from all the other sales that go on in the year in PlayStation Store, is that they have a 10% off code. See that? It's one-time use, but you can tell I maximized it if I go to my cart here. Look at this. Got Batman and Star Wars. Star Wars is, it used to be $60. Now it's $36. Look at that, guys. Save 40%. Save 50% back, man. Look at that. It's $10 now. Look at that. It's $45. Okay. My current wallet, I don't have enough, but I'm gonna put in the discount code, which was wait, hold up. Wait. I just remembered I'm using my phone for a discount code. Where you put that discount code in. Like you guys see how much money I'm saving, right? Like, step one, wait for a good sale to come up from PlayStation Store. Step two, buy multiple games. And then step three, use the discount code to get even more, value. This is why, like, when people ask me like, why do you only have like 2 PS4 discs? I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can see that. I only have 2K18 and GTA 5 as my physical games. Like they always ask me why. Why? Because I save a lot more money digital. Like I remember back then, physical sales used to actually be good, But GameStop sucks. Okay, hold up. I'm just gonna go PlayStation Store to get the code. Okay, it's F. Oh, F A 5 C4B. Ooh, what the heck? Oh, I forgot. Okay. C. Oops. C4. B. 2BJK. Now it's 4138. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look how much money was saved. Check that out. Look at that. Proceed checkout. Bang. Yeah. Look at this too. Exclusive skins. Batman, which comes with the Batman, because PlayStation exclusive for Batman. Then Star Wars. Look at that. Download all. Look at that, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Look at that. See you.